Having military power is a component that must be prioritized by every country in the world. This force must, of course, include land, water and air routes. One of the military vehicles on land routes, namely tanks. Tanks have always played an important role in land battles. Because, besides being immune to all kinds of bullets, tanks are also very mobile. Even tanks can penetrate almost all road variants. As the times progress, advances in tank technology also continue to create various kinds. In fact, some of them are claimed to be the strongest in the world. What are they? Launching from M. 1. Leopard 2A7, Germany. This tank is the latest version of the Leopard 2 design, which proved its power and success. With an additional steel skin, the Leopard 2A7 is well protected from conventional warfare threats. This German tank has better accuracy and a farther range of fire compared to other tanks, due to its powerful weapon system and sophisticated fire control system. Not only that, the Leopard 2 is also supported by a multi-fuel diesel engine. The German Army has been ordering the Leopard 2A7 tank since 2014. 2. K2 Black Panther, South Korea. Today, the Black Panther is one of the most advanced main battle tanks in the world, outperforming anything North Korea or China has. Additionally, it is the most expensive main battle tank to date. The tank has a highly advanced fire control system that can see, track, and fire automatically at visible vehicle-sized targets, even low-flying helicopters, without needing to. Three. M1A2SEP, United States. The M1A2SEP is the successor to the M1A2 Abrams, which has the most feared technology and armor. The tank offers significant protection against all known anti-tank weapons. The M1A2SEP uses advanced armor, reinforced with depleted uranium coatings. Its firepower and accuracy are slightly inferior to the Leopard 2A7 or K2 Black Panther due to the shorter 120 mm per liter 44 smoothbore gun, but still produces a formidable shot. 4. Challenger 2, England. Challenger 2 is considered a very capable tank because it has the latest Chobham armor. This tank offers a very high level of protection against direct fire weapons. This British tank is armed with a very accurate 120 mm rifled gun. Currently, Challenger 2 holds the record for the longest tank-to-tank kill. That said, the Challenger 2's engine was less powerful than its rivals and also not as fast as other tanks. 5. Armata, Russia. Armata is a new generation battle tank that has a number of advanced designs and features and has little in common with the T-90. The Armata has a newly developed base guard made of steel, ceramic and composite materials. The tank will also reportedly be equipped with the new Afghanet active protection system, which is currently under development. The tank is armed with a new 125 mm smoothbore gun, which is more accurate than previous Russian tank guns.